po ako para magbigay po ng kaunting kaalaman tungkol sa pag-a-add or pag-record po ng audio to a PowerPoint presentation. So, bakit nga ba mahalaga yung PowerPoint audio or recording to a presentation? So, what is the purpose of PowerPoint presentation with an audio? The purpose of PowerPoint is to act as a visual aid as a presenter goes along presenting their option, ideas, sales, pitch, etc. Make sure to not make your slides too wordy. So, dapat hindi masyadong maraming descriptions. It should be simple and concentrate on adding only basic bullet points. So, tandaan po natin, make it simple. So, there are types of audio format that can be inserted in a PowerPoint presentation. Ibig sabihin, these three format ng audio, ito lang po yung supported po ng PowerPoint para makapag-play pa in order for us to play an audio to a PowerPoint presentation. So, number one is WAV or WAV or W-A-V. Due to its file name extension pronounced as WAV, is an audio file format standard developed by IBM and Microsoft for storing an audio bitstream on PCs. This is the main format used in Microsoft Windows system for a raw and typically uncompressed audio. So, uncompressed, ibig sabihin medyo malaki-laki yung files niya as compared to the next one. So, number 2 supported audio of a PowerPoint presentation is the MP3 or MPEG. Ano namang ibig sabihin ng MP3 or MPEG? So, stands for MPEG audio layer. MP3 is compressed audio. Ibig sabihin, mas smaller po yung size niya. File format developed by Moving Picture Experts Group. While MP3s are still prevalent on the internet, other file formats are now also used for audio compression. So, ito daw yung mostly supported na audio prevalent on the internet. So, number 3 is the MID. Ang ibig sabihin po ng MID is Map Information Interchange Format. This is also sometimes used as the file name extension for some map information files. So, Media Identification Code or MID code, a code indicating the manufacturing or the manufacturer of a DVD. Mobile Internet Device, a category of mobile computer. So, tandaan po natin, ito lang po yung tatlong klase ng audio file na pwede pong i-insert in a PowerPoint presentation. So, there are 2 ways on how to add an audio to your presentation. One is pwede kang mag-record ng audio through your narration. Or number 2, you can add audio from your PC. So, if you have an available audio from your PC, you will just simply select the audio and then you can add it already in your presentation. So, tara na, try po natin kung paano nga tayo mag-a-add ng audio from your PC. So, ano nga ba yung mga steps, yung mga simpleng pamamaraan para po makapagdagdag tayo ng audio sa ating presentation? So, habang nagdi-discuss po tayo, we're going to have a demonstration. So, syempre, kailangan po natin ng PowerPoint application or software. So, ako po, ang ginagamit ko ngayon is MS PowerPoint 365 version. So, ito yung ginagamit natin in order for us to create a screen mirroring. So, yung ginagawa po natin dito is I'm recording a presentation na pwede po siyang i-play after dito. Auto-play na siya. So, to start with, syempre kailangan open po muna natin yung PowerPoint application. So, right after we open our application, automatically, you can see this environment. Kaya lang meron na po akong ginawa ditong presentation. So, pero so far, pag nag-open po kayo, ganito na po yung itsura ng environment ng MS PowerPoint. So, una, nakalagay dito is select, insert. So, So, in the menu bar, nakikita po natin dito sa environment ng PowerPoint, makikita po natin on the upper part is the menu bar. So, una, you're going to click insert to insert an audio. And then, from the button, so right after you click audio, meron po siyang lalabas ng mga button. So, hanapin po natin yung audio. So, makikita natin siya sa dulong parte na sa right part of your screen. So, click lang po natin yung audio. So, right after you click yung audio button, automatically there are two ways to display. There are two ways displayed kung paano tayo mag-a-add ng audio. So, one is audio on my PC. The other one is record an audio. So, ang gagawin po muna natin is to add audio from your PC. So, i-click po natin yung audio on my PC. So, right after you click audio from your PC, automatic, may makikita tayong dialog box. Ang title po nito is Insert Audio. So, dito natin nahanapin yung files or yung available audio na pwede nating i-insert sa PowerPoint natin. So, dito po nakalagay, there are 5 audios na pwede nating i-insert. So, let's try selecting one. So, piliin po natin itong isa. Click lang po. Yan. Automatic po, lalabas sa screen. You can see a speaker. Tapos po dito sa baba, may makikita kayong play button. Ito, backward and then forward. Tapos meron po ditong timer and the speaker. So, ito pong speaker na to, ito yung way para i-reduce po natin yung volume ng ating recording. So, you will just simply drag going down. Pwede mo siyang i-drag going up. Okay po. So, try po nating i-play yung inserted nating audio para matry po natin kung talagang tama yung ginawa natin. So, habang nagpi-play, you can move this button to increase or decrease the volume of your inserted audio. So, siguro okay na po. Let's stop it using the stop button on the left side. So, kung nakikita po natin, yan. Ito po yung timer kung ilang seconds or minutes po yung recording natin. Using the automatic audio from our files. So, let's stop na po natin. Yan. So, automatically, eto na po, naka-insert na tayo ng audio from our PC. So, let's try naman the other way around. So, magre-record po tayo ng audio using our narration. So, kung makikita natin, there are 6 ways. Tapos, meron po tayong isang note dito sa baba. So, paano ba tayo magre-record ng audio using our voiceover or narration? So, una po, click po natin yung insert. Punta tayo sa audio uli. And then, select record audio. So, kung nakita natin, meron pong lumabas na dialog box uli. Ang title po nito is record sound dialog box. So, opposite to that, may question mark and then close button. If ever you change your mind na hindi na kayo magre-record, you will just simply click this close button or the X button. So, makikita natin on the record sound dialog box is the name. Ibig sabihin, you will simply type the name of your sound. So, dito, pwedeng lagyan natin ng adding audio, adding record audio to a presentation. Medyo sumobra siya. So, record audio na lang. So, sa lowest sa lower part, you can see the play button and the stop button. So, itong dalawang to, kung titingnan po natin, is disabled. Only the record button, yung naka-enable po, itong may pula. So, if you want to record now, kung gusto mo nang mag-record, you will just simply click this button. So, click natin po. So, automatically, the total sound length, kung titingnan natin po siya, nag-i-increase po siya. Ibig sabihin, ito yung magsasabi, gaano ba kahaba or gaano kaiksi yung recorded sound natin sa ating presentation. So, yan po. So, siguro okay na. So, kung gusto na nating itigil yung recording natin kasi we decided na hanggang dyan na lang. So, we better click this button. Ang ibig sabihin nito, stop button. So, click mo lang siya. Yan, 35, 36. So, close button. And then, this time, you will decide ano yung ni-record ko ba is satisfied na ako or hindi pa. If you are satisfied, then you will simply click this okay button. Pero pag hindi naman, you will just simply cancel para mag-record ka uli ng another narration. So, this time, I decided na satisfied na ako. So, I'm going to click this okay button. Yan. Tapos na tayong mag-record. And kung makikita natin, meron tayong naka-insert na naman na ito, yung speaker for our recorded audio. Okay, so I hope guys, kung meron kayong mga request na video presentation, you can request to my channel. So I hope guys, may natutunan po tayo for this morning's discussion. And mag-ingat lang po tayong lahat. Maraming salamat.